Hi everyone. So welcome to the podcast of Eduhub community. So after the long roadshow covering Kolkata and Delhi, we're here with the Nordek team. We'll talk about their experience and everything. So before going to the session, let's talk about Sonak. So Sonak will talk about himself, like what he's doing in the Nordek. So over to Sonak.
Hello. I thank Eduhub community for having me here. I am Shonak. I'm currently based out of Kolkata and I'm a DevRel in Nordek. We are a particularly a EVM compatible DPoS blockchain and it's still a startup, but we have a lot of traction to go. We just became the official principal sponsors of the Netherlands cricket teams for the ICC this year. So that's a great thing. So yeah, that's one of my major jobs. I mostly work with code a lot, but also I speak in events. I network with a lot of people. I help in the partnerships, and yeah, this is the new kind of show that we are having with Eduhub, and this has been going pretty amazing.
Awesome. So thank you. So over to Priya. Priya, if you wanna ask something.
I wanna ask, what are your achievements? Like, what you want to achieve after this roadshow?
So as we all know, like the current traction of Web3 is pretty less in India. But we all know that Web3 is gonna be the future, right? Like we have already opened the Pandora's box. We already know all the implications that we can have, all the advantages that we are having. There are several people doing PhDs and like masters in blockchain. Like the newer innovations that we are having, all the meetups that is going on all around the world. So we know the implications and we know the advantages that we have over the internet right now, and we think it is a very right time for developers, for students to learn about all these topics. So I think with this roadshow, what we are trying to do, what we are trying to achieve, and what we have already achieved a lot is actually we have made a lot of traction, like a lot of interest among students. And I think they are pretty interested in Web3. They are pretty interested in learning what it is, how it works, what are the career options. And I think that's how interest starts, right? Like that's how people get into a particular field and learn about new things, make new innovations. So, yep.
Cool. So let's talk about something related to the community, right? So we are into the community, and also Nordic are building a huge community around developers and all. So what kind of initiative you have for the students related to hackathons, related to community meetups, conferences? So what kind of thing you are doing with with Nordic?
Okay, so the most important thing that we were trying to reach out to students throughout this roadshow is we are having our Nordek Genesis program. It's mainly like for the campus ambassadors. It's like a community program, but it's not only focusing on the education side of things, but also for the non-tech people. It's not important that someone has to be in the technical side of things because they can also be in the non-tech side. They can in the marketing side. They can be the branding side, the partnerships, and everything that even in for ideas. There are a lot of students who have ideas but they don't know how to code. So through the Nordek Genesis program, which we are trying to outreach, we are trying to help students. We are trying to help students all across these colleges, through all across the cities, throughout India. Our major goal is to help them build new projects, make new innovations. We know that this is the age of entrepreneurship. Like the newer products that are coming into the market, it's pretty huge, pretty amazing. The investments that are going in, the Indian government is heavily investing into blockchain and AI/ML. So we are looking at a new future, and I think we are through our Nordic Genesis program, we are trying to help these students out, learn what kind of potential they can reach, like what is the limits of the technologies, and they can soon learn that it's technically limitless.
Awesome. Nice. So it's the end of the a small podcast. So thanks for watching, and we are coming with another cities, another meetups, another conferences with all of you. So keep in touch with Eduhub community and Nordic team. Thanks a lot, everyone.